Okay, here what we have to do is we have to draw another rectangle. Before I made inside of this cabinet, because of that it is selecting everything. So we have to be inside of this shell, and then you have to draw one rectangle. Then you have to make this as a component. Okay. Then you have to make it 1 inch and copy this. Then 4 parts, enter. Okay, then you have to make this. So I want to keep one TV here, okay, in this space. So that time you have to make this component, because if you go and delete this, everything will be deleted, because it is a all things are component. So for that we have to make this both as a unique components. So after making like that, so you have to go inside of that. Then again you have to make unique. Before this we didn't got, right? So now you have to make this unique. Mhm. Hmm. Why it's not coming? Okay, that I will explain in the end of the class. It is not coming. So after that, what you have to do is, in the end also, you have to keep one shelf, right? So for that, what I will do is, so in this, I will select this. So horizontal shelf also, make coming together. Yeah, once a second, I will do from starting. Okay, you have to be careful while making, because if you want to small changes, it will be applicable to everything. 12 inches, 3 feet, 36 inches, and make it as a component. Okay, 8 feet. Then you have to make it as a component. Selection with component. Then you have to delete all the 3. So this is 1. So this is another component. So I will take this rectangle, 35 inch, make it as another component. And this is separate and this is separate. This you have to take it as 2.5 feet. We take this 3 inch up and then do push pull inside 2 inch. And what I will do is 4x center, copy this to here, 4x center, 4 times gain, go inside of that, and we have to make changes to this. We copied off this here. Drawing center and edit this. Take the midpoint. To the draw a rectangle here. Make it as another component. So 1. We have to copy this. 4 divided by enter. Then we have to make this unique. Okay. See, now it is coming, because before when I'm selecting this horizontal one, this also selected. Because of that, it's not came. So when you are making components, you have to look careful. Means it is, we are editing inside of this or outside of that. Okay. Now we have to select this. Okay. I don't want. First, I don't want this one. And next, I want to keep it little down. Okay. 4 inch. So now I want to place TV here, but here vertical shelf is coming here. Okay. So what I will do is, first I will make, I will edit this. See, everyone is changing, right? So that time what you have to do is first select this and make unique components. Then this both only will change. Whatever selected, that only will be changed. So I will make up to here. And what I will do is, so here also it is gone. So I am doing as select this and go to edit, cut. Okay. Come out of the component and go to edit, paste in place. So by that, what's happened is, so it came different. Means it's came, but it's not came. So because of last one, so last shelf, we don't have this one, right side one. So I will make this both unique and I will draw one for a vertical shelf here. Then it will cover there. So what I will do is I will copy this. Same here. And I will edit this. Okay, how to take the reference. So actually, it is came part. That's why we are keeping two parts separately. But here it is single shelf, right? No need of making two parts. So I will take it little down. So after that, so zooming problem will come. You have to see to that. So I have some more spaces there. So I will do copy there. I will copy from here. Okay, what I will do is I will make this both as unique. Okay. Now whatever changes I will make here, it will be applicable there. So I will copy this from here to here. Okay. We got last one also, right? So like this, we can make shelves here. So while making components, you have to be careful. Otherwise, you will be confused. ఇక్కడ వరకు క్లియర్ కదా? సో మీకు డౌట్ ఉంటే కనుక రికార్డింగ్ ప్లే చేసి చూడండి. నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటంటే సో ఫర్ ఓపెనింగ్ దిస్ డోర్స్ we have to add knobs, right? So either you can create the knob or either you can import from the extension warehouse. Okay, knobs you can get. So anything you can place. Yes. See how much big it is can. So we have to scale it that. I'm keeping here. So we have to scale it. Move it. We have to rotate also. Yes, still we have to do scaling. Okay, I want to take the center point.
రొటేషన్ గురించి చెప్పు. లైక్ అన్యాక్సెస్ లో రొటేషన్ ఎలా చేయాలని చెప్పు.
ఓకే, చెప్తాను. సో మన ఇక్కడ నేను
ఈ కాంపోనెంట్ కదా ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఒక స్క్వేర్ ని తీసుకుని దాన్ని రొటేట్.
ఓకే ఓకే, రొటేషన్ గురించి
స్టెప్స్ లోని స్లాబ్ రొటేట్ చేస్తాం 45 degrees కి. ఫస్ట్ దాని మీద స్టెప్స్ పెడతాం.
అవునవును,
అలాగా ఒకసారి ఆ రొటేషన్ ఇది ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసాకనే చెప్పు.
ఓకే, అంటే రొటేషన్ గురించి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయమని అడుగుతున్నా, అంటే ఆప్షన్స్ దాంట్లో. ఓకే,
రొటేషన్ ఎక్స్ యాక్సిస్ లో ఎలా చేయాలి, వై యాక్సిస్ లో ఎలా చేయాలి.
సో హియర్ ఏంటంటే మనకి ఇది కరెక్ట్ గా సెంటర్ పాయింట్ లో తీసుకుని మనం చేసుకోవాలి కాబట్టి మనం ఇది క్లిక్ చేయగానే దానికి ఉన్న యాక్సెస్ పాయింట్స్ అన్ని హైలైట్ అవుతాయి అనమాట. సో ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ సింబల్ ఉంది చూసారా, సో అదైతే మనకి రొటేషన్ ఆప్షన్ ఇస్తుంది అనమాట. దాని దగ్గరికి వెళ్తే ప్రతి కాంపోనెంట్ కి కార్నర్ పాయింట్స్ వస్తాయి, ఇలా రొటేషన్ ఆప్షన్స్ కూడా వస్తాయి అనమాట. ఇద్దరు రొటేట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు లేదంటే మూవ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో I want center point to place midpoint. ఓకే, మిడ్ పాయింట్ ని మనం స్క్రీన్ మీద ప్లేస్ చేయాలన్నమాట, ఫేస్ ఆన్ ద కాంపోనెంట్. సో యాక్చువల్గా నేను అవుట్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ద కాంపోనెంట్ ప్లేస్ చేశాను. ఓకే, దీన్ని ఇక్కడ నుంచి కట్ చేసి go inside of this component. Then you have to paste in place. Okay, it will come for all. Then move this again to this side. Okay, like this you can place the knobs here. So I will explain about rotation options. So we have here this one, green means y axis, x axis and z axis. 3 axes are there. Okay, so if you have an object, okay, this is 2D one, and this is 3D object. So make it as a group, so component చేస్తే కనుక and I will explore this. I will make it as a component. Okay, here 2D component is there. So when you take a rotate, or if you take rotate symbol, when you are placing near, for 2D component only horizontal surface will come. Okay, when you go to the 3D component you will get 3 axes. Okay, x axis, y axis and z axis. So in 3 axes you can rotate this. So for 2D objects it is very easy. means on the plane you can rotate easily in which angle you want. You can directly enter the angle, or you can enter by choosing, okay, how much degrees you want, that much you can keep and rotate. So 2D we will not do maximum, but we will do for only 3D objects. So in 3D object we have rotate option here, right? So rotate, here we have when you are placing nearby this, automatically this is changing according to the surface, okay, in which direction that surface is there, in that particular direction it is changing. So I don't want like that, but I want only one particular direction, okay. If you want in green axis side, okay, I told you, right, means up arrow side, right arrow, left arrow. For up arrow it will come like horizontal surface if you press up arrow, and if you press right arrow it will change the axis into vertical one, okay. You can rotate that in vertical direction, that is for right arrow, okay. And you can rotate that in green arrow by using left arrow button, okay. Like this, you can keep the particular direction by pressing the right or left or up arrows, or you can place nearby the object, means automatically it will show. And one more thing, so from where you are keeping that point also it is important. So from that part only entire object will rotate, okay. I want this object in the same place, but I want it to be rotate. That time what you have to do is you have to keep it the rotation option in the middle, okay. Then only it will be in the same place and it will change the direction, okay. Like this you have to understand. So now clear na, Narayana, rotation options.
Okay.
And for component,
Copy.
uh,
Chep.
if you go to component inside, for the component, if you take rotation option, hmm, components from object, okay. Tell me.
కాపీ చేసుకున్నప్పుడు 8x అని నొక్కితే అరే అవుతుంది కదా.
అవునవును.
ఇప్పుడు సర్క్యులర్ లో నాకు అరే కావాలి.
సర్కిల్ టైప్ లో అరేనా? సర్కిల్ టైప్ లో కూడా వస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఉంది కదా, సో నీకు ఇది అరే కావాలా?
సర్క్యులర్ గా అరే కావాలి.
సర్క్యులర్ గా అరే కావాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇది ఉంది, దీన్ని గ్రూప్ చేస్తాను. సర్క్యులర్ గా నీకు హారిజాంటల్ విచ్ డైరెక్షన్ లో యూ వాంట్? వెర్టికల్ గానా లేదంటే హారిజాంటల్ గానా?
హారిజాంటల్ ప్లేన్ లోనే,
ప్లేన్ లోనే,
హారిజాంటల్ ప్లేన్ లోనే సర్క్యులర్ అరే కావాలి సార్.
How you are saying this? Like this or how? For that you have to rotate na. For that means
ఇలాగ అరే కావాలి నాకు, ఇలా పిల్లర్స్ ఇలా అరే కావాలి సార్.
Okay. AutoCAD type, okay. I think that may not be possible here. We don't have that option. I also not tried that. Okay, circular array and AutoCAD type. That option లేదు అనుకుంటా. ఓన్లీ హారిజాంటల్ గానే ఉంది, అంటే హారిజాంటల్ ఆర్ వెర్టికల్, ఎనీ వన్ డైరెక్షన్.
అంటే రివాల్వ్ చేసిన మూవ్ చేసేటప్పుడు 8x అని నొక్కితే అక్కడ ఏమి పాసిబుల్ అవ్వదని అడుగు. లైక్ కాపీ చేసినప్పుడు 8x అని నొక్కితే అవుతుంది కదా, అలా రొటేట్ చేసినప్పుడు 8x నొక్కితే అలా రొటేట్ అవుతుందా?
Here we have actually how option is there for making 3D components. One option is there, like how, like a tube will be there, right, for making. I'll delete this and I will change the axis. It's like this, it will come.
Follow me.
Follow up only will come. Means I also not write that array in this. If option is there, I will explain tomorrow. I will also find out. And if you come here, okay, I want to keep some books here. Okay, books means I went inside of this. Create a rectangle. Okay, I will copy this. So we have some books like this. ఇవి రెండు యూనిక్ కాబట్టి ఓన్లీ దీనికి మాత్రమే వచ్చింది అనమాట. కానీ నాకు ఈ అన్ని షెల్ఫ్స్ లోను బుక్స్ అనేవి ప్లేస్ చేయాలి. అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలంటే నేను ఇవి డిలీట్ చేస్తాను. అన్నిటికీ కామన్ గా ఉన్న కాంపోనెంట్ అనేది చూసుకోవాలన్నమాట మనం. అన్నిటికీ కామన్ గా ఏదంటే హారిజంటల్ షెల్ఫ్ అనేది కామన్ గా ఉంది ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తే చూసారా అన్ని సెలెక్ట్ అవుతున్నాయి. సో అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారంటే, సో మనం ఆ పర్టికులర్ కాంపోనెంట్ లోపలికి వెళ్ళి అప్పుడు బుక్స్ అనేవి ప్లేస్ చేయాలన్నమాట. సో బుక్స్ అనేవి ఇంపోర్ట్ చేసుకుందాం 3D వేర్ హౌస్ నుంచి. ఇప్పుడు ఒకసారి డౌన్లోడ్ చేసి we'll download some books from 3D warehouse. We'll change the direction. I just kept outside of that particular component. So what I will do is I will cut this. So remember this option, you have to cut that. I'm going inside of that particular shell. Then I am paste in place. See, for everything it came. So on the top of it we don't need. So what you have to do is, if you delete from here, the shelf also is deleting. Okay, if you delete from here, everything will be deleted. Okay, what you have to do is, So make this as a unique and then delete. So it will not be deleted. Otherwise, సో ఇవన్నీ ఒకలా ఉన్నాయి కదా, వీటిని మాత్రమే యూనిక్ చేస్తే కనుక సో వీటిని ఈజీగా డిలీట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. మేక్ యూనిక్, delete this. So like this you can keep make unique and you have to delete this. Scale down little bit. So like this you can make the shelf for this, and if you want you can keep the TV from 3D warehouse also. Wall mount TV. Models. We just keep that. So 90, enter. You can place that in particular. So sometimes it is very, means you have to take carefully, means you will not get that particular picking point. Okay, I'll keep an view from here also. So from this sofa I will keep, so eye height will be 2 feet. Like this I will add one thing. Update here. Okay, this is how you have to make the components. So why I explained is, so when you are making any individual kitchens or halls or bedrooms, uh, you can't import everything from 3D warehouse. Okay, you have to make unique style, right? So for that you only have to create your own components. That time whatever the challenges will come, that you have to face. So for that you have to make it every component different. Means when you are making changes here, that must be applicable there also. So you have to make this both as unique, like that small options you have to know. Okay, until here Clear, right? Everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, means you also just make only this bookshelf like this, and you will get many dots also. Night kada atla. Until here clear kada.
Clear.
So we saw bookcase component also. How to make sub components like horizontal shelf, vertical shelf, that cabinet, under cabinet. So making unique components for placing different things. Making design changes. 3D books, creating knob and handles. So you can create the knob and handles also by yourselves. Like whatever the shape you need, that shape you can make. Like what I will do is I'll make one circle here, and I will draw a line from here, here, here. So select this, make mm, submit it. So it as continuous line.